Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing all great. Today I share with you this perfect party Ghanaian jollof rice. You will love this recipe, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. I do share amazing recipes right here, so kindly do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. For the base of this jollof stew, I'll be blending some scallions, 3 medium-sized onions. Next, I'll also blend some ginger, carrots, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and some natural spices. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. So now let's go ahead and blend our vegetables off camera. While that is going on, let's go ahead and heat up some cooking oil. Let's allow the oil to heat up for about 1 minute, and afterwards I'll go in with my chopped onion. I'll fry on low medium heat until the onions is nice and translucent. Now the onions is ready, I'll go in with my blended vegetables. As you can see, I didn't use a lot of water in blending these vegetables, okay? I really want this stew to come out very thick and just perfect. So after adding in the blended vegetables, I'll stir everything together. I will cover and allow it to fry or cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check your stew from time to time. Whilst our base is also cooking, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. So it's been 30 minutes of cooking the base, and as you can see, it looks all thick and it has really darkened up a little bit, and that's what I'm looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with my tomato paste. For this recipe, I'll be using only tomato paste. You can as well use fresh tomatoes if that is what you want, okay? I'll give it a good mix, and I'll also go in with a little bit of water to allow the stew cook very well. If you have mixed stock, it is definitely a plus for you because it's going to let the stew taste really good. But if you don't have as well, the water is the best substitute for it. So I'll give it a good mix, stir very well. Stirring is very important right here because we don't want the stew to get burnt, okay? Afterwards, I will cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. As always, you need to keep an eye on it and check it from time to time, and also cook it on low medium heat. You don't want to put pressure on yourself. So now let's give it a good mix. Let's cover it once more and allow it to cook until it's nice and just perfect. Alright, so we are back to check on our stew once again, and this is how it looks like. It's just perfect, just the way I want it. So moving forward, I'll go in with my seasoning, and for seasoning of choice, I'll be using nutmeg, jollof stew seasoning powder. Next, I also go in with some shrimp seasoning powder. Moving forward, I also go in with some homemade curry powder. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. And don't forget as well to go in with some salt to taste. It's very, very important, and the seasonings are always to your taste. Okay, so now let's give it a good mix. let's cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and go in with some mackerel and tomato sauce. If you don't like it, you can omit it totally. Okay, this is totally to my preference, but trust me, when you add mackerel to your jollof rice, it is definitely going to add good flavors and good taste to your jollof rice. Trust the process and you will love it. Okay. All right, so I'll give it a good mix once more. I'll cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and afterward, this is how it looks like. I just love how heavy and I love how dark the stew is turning out, and at this point the stew is nice and perfect. So I'm going to set some of the stew aside. It's always advisable to do this if you think the stew is too much for the rice that you want to cook. Okay, and afterwards I'll go in with my 3.5 cups of perfumed rice. You can use any perfumed rice or local rice of your choice. Now let's give everything a good mix, and afterwards I'll go in with extra stew as well, because I really want this jollof rice to turn out really good. I'll go in with a little bit of water. You also need to taste for salt as well, so I'll go in with a little bit of salt to taste. I'll stir everything together beautifully, and I'll cover it, allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Jollof rice doesn't need a lot of heat and also water as well, so kindly note it. Remember as well to check your jollof rice from time to time. So now let's give this a good mix after the first check, and afterwards I'll cover it again and allow it to cook for about 15 minutes on low medium heat, and I'll check it once more. So approximately I'm going to check this rice for about 3 to 4 times, and the rice should be okay. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia, and let's vibe over there as well. And don't forget as well to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Also do subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I do upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. So now the jollof rice is almost done. To finish everything, I'll go in with this chopped carrots and onions, which will also give the jollof rice extra taste and flavor. If you don't like it, you just have to omit it totally. Okay, this is totally to my preference. I'll give it a gentle mix. I'll cover it on low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and it should be ready. I don't really love soft veggies, as I always say, so if you want to cook yours until it's nice and very soft, it is allowed. Okay, and after 5 minutes of cooking it, this is how the jollof rice looks like. The jollof rice turned out so good. I just love the color, the aroma, and the taste was just on point. I just love this jollof rice recipe. Now the jollof rice is ready, so now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. So I enjoyed mine with some salad and also some chicken wings. You can also pair this with any combo of your choice. Kindly let me know in the comments section as well what you think about this jollof rice recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to the channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.